Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Samsung QVO SATA 2.5 inches SSD. Ooh, solid state disk, baby, with 4 terabyte. It's also available in other sizes too, okay? You can choose what you need, from 1 terabyte up to 8 terabyte. Nearly everything is possible with this device here. We go big, we do more. The 870 QVO is Samsung's latest second generation QLC SSD and the largest of its kind that provides up to 8 terabyte of storage. It offers incredible upgrade our everyday personal computer users who want to ramp up their desktop, personal computer or laptop or the largest available storage on the market without compressing on performance. I'm going to use this in a network attachment system, as you can see. And this is a home server, and it's a really good SSD for such a device. We enhance in various ways, achieving the maximum SATA interface limited of 560 and 530 megabit per second sequential speeds. The 870 QVO features improved random speed and sustained performance compared to the previous 860 QVO. Intelligent turbo rod accelerates write speeds and maintains a long-term high performance with a large variable buffer. The sequential reads up to 560 megabit per second. Intelligent turbo write, baby. Frequential writes up to 530 megabit per second. That's a big thing. We enjoy maximum capacity. The 870 QVO is available in 1, 2, 4, and 8 terabyte. And the 8 terabyte mode is by far the largest client SATA SSD. With the 870 QVO, users can now enjoy and thrive in the largest SSD computing environment ever. And reliable and sustainable. And this is the big thing beyond if you like to use that in the server. The groundbreaking capacity of the 870 QVO doubles its reliability up to 2880 TBW compared to the previous model 860 QVO. And it is backed by a limited warranty of 3 years. This formidable SSD provides further reliability with a refined ECC algorithm that enables a stable performance. And you can upgrade with ease, baby. Upgrading to the 870 QVO is made easy for anywhere and anyone with a desktop, personal computer, or laptop that supports a standard 2.5 inches SATA form factor. We are enjoying this terabyte SSD is as convenient as a plugging in the 870 QVO into a SATA slot and letting the renewed migration software take care of the rest. And then it comes the Samsung Magician software. This makes our drive work like magic. The new and the improved Samsung Mac ECM 6.1 software will keep our SSD in check. We can easily manage our drive with a wide range of useful tools to keep up with the latest updates, monitor the drive's health and status, or even enhance its performance. Or you can use it without the Samsung Magician software too. Get it into your SSD drive or socket, and then it will run automatically. And the world's #1 for flash memory. Experience the superior performance and reliability that we can only get from the world's #1 brand for flash memory since 2003. All firmware and components, including the Samsung's world-renowned DRAM and NAND, are produced in-house, allowing an end-to-end integration for quality we can trust for. The interface is a SATA 6 gigabit per second interface, compatible with SATA 3 gigabit per second and SATA 1.5 gigabit per second interface. We have a sequential reading up to 560 megabit per second sequential read. Performance may vary based on system hardware and configurations, of course. We can have a sequential write, up to 530 megabit per second, the sequential drive. Performance may vary based on the system hardware and configuration too, measured with intelligence turbo write. And the storage memory is a Samsung V-NAND 4-bit MLC. The form factor is 2.5 inches. And we have a big thing here. This is for client personal computers. The capacity is 4000 gigabit. 1 gigabit is 1 billion byte by IDMA. The form factor is 2.5 inches. The interface is a SATA 6 gigabit per second interface, compatible with SATA 3 and SATA 1.5. The dimensions are 100 to 69.85 to 6.8 millimeter. Its weight approximately 54 gram, and the storage memory is Samsung V-NAND 4-bit MLC. The Samsung controller is an MKX. The cache memory is 4 gigabit low power, DDR4. And we have special features with trim support, smart support, auto garbage collection algorithm. We have an encryption support by AES 256-bit. And worldwide name supported and a sleep mode support. And the performance is really cool, up to 560 MB per second sequential read, 530 MB per second sequential write. Random read is 98,000 IOPS random read. The write is up to 88,000 IOPS random write. 11,000 IOPS random write in 4KB. And random write in 4KB is 35,000. You can see this is a big thing here. The maximum is 35 milliwatt. Actual power consumption may vary depending on the system, of course. Plus minus 5 volts in percent. 1.5 million hours reliability. And the operation temperature is from 0 up to 70 degrees Celsius. Oh yeah, this is really cool. This is the Samsung 870 QVO SATA 2.7 and 2.5 inches SSD for 4 terabyte in this case. But you can go up to 8. And it's a perfect SSD for working SSD based servers in your network. Really cool. It works a long time, and it is possible to upgrade this NAS. Thanks for watching. Because it's really easy. You get it in position. Job's done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.